The IDF discovered gas masks, chemical materials, and sedatives in the possession of Hezbollah operatives 2 months ago, around the start of Israel's incursion into Lebanon, suggesting that the terrorist organization had intended to use chemical weapons to abduct Israeli soldiers and civilians, Walla learned on Wednesday. This report comes shortly after the ceasefire agreement with Lebanon came into effect, also on Wednesday, where the IDF and Hezbollah will hold their fire for the next 60 days, after which the ceasefire will become permanent, according to the agreement. The ceasefire agreement concludes more than a year of war between Israel and Hezbollah, allowing hundreds of thousands of residents on both sides of the border to gradually return to their homes. Over 3,500 Lebanese were killed and more than 15,000 injured in the conflict, which escalated after Hezbollah's initial attack on Israel a day after Hamas massacre and terrorist attacks on October 7. Approximately 150 Israeli soldiers and civilians were killed by Hezbollah, with hundreds injured. Hours up to the ceasefire. In the hours leading up to the ceasefire, exchanges of fire were recorded between the sides. The central bus station in Kiryat Shmona suffered a direct hit from a missile launched from Lebanon. 2 buses caught fire following the strike, and another fire broke out at the site. At the same time, sirens sounded in dozens of northern communities, as well as in the Sharon and Triangle regions due to rocket launches from Lebanon. Lebanon's Hezbollah leader Sheikh Naim Qassem delivers a speech from an unknown location, November 20, 2024 in this still image from video. Shortly after midnight, the IDF's Arabic-language spokesperson Avichai Adrei issued an evacuation warning to residents of the Dahir district in Beirut. Lebanese media reported heavy airstrikes by the Israeli Air Force in the neighborhood. Subsequently, the IDF issued 2 additional evacuation warnings to the neighborhood's residents.